Chenro mar ikruok ne nyasi mar dhialo thuondi mag Uhuru kata Mashujaa Day osechakore boma ma Kericho. Jagoro migore migawo mar arita Raymond Omollo wacho ni alap mar kaunti ma Kericho koro iloso mondo bed kod nyalo mar ting'o ji 10,000. Omollo nowacho ni Kericho Green Stadium ibiro tudne stima kaachiel kod pi kapok odiochieng' nyasino ochopo.
The concrete works is 100% done, and what is happening now is the movement of the members of the concrete works that the installation has already begun. Now the stadium will have a seating capacity of 10,000, so there will be the main pavilion, and then there are the complementary pavilion on all sides of the stadium, which is being done through steel fabrication. We've also had to visit the county commissioner's residence, which will host the garden party on Mashujaa Day, and that is also progressing well. Now the theme for the Mashujaa Day celebrations of 20th of October is on universal healthcare, and in the run-up to the Mashujaa Day, which is the 20th of October, there will be a week-long activity that will be exhibited, and we are working very closely with the county government led by the governor for Kericho, Dr. Mutai, to just make sure that we properly profile the